Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford vehicle guys, pretty much any Ford vehicle, and you have a code P0001 guys, stay with us, we'll explain what causes that code and we'll show you guys how we're going to figure out what's wrong and what needs to be replaced to fix that code and your car to be running again. If you have that code, you may experience guys loss of power, barely having enough power to move, slow throttle response, increased fuel consumption guys, quite a few things. Now we'll demonstrate on a Ford Focus guys, but the procedure will apply to many Ford vehicles guys, because it will be almost the same design. This is a 2012 Focus and I'll demonstrate guys, okay, what's happening. And if you have that code, you may have a hard time guys even starting your vehicle. Not every time, okay, but sometimes, and I will explain why. This guys sensor is crucial for the way the fuel system function in your Ford vehicle, especially if you have the one with the direct fuel injection. So listen now how long it's going to take me to start that thing now. And I have to give it a little bit of gas to start it, and listen now. So super slow guys, right? Okay, now engine light is on. Okay, engine light is on. So we're going to go ahead, okay, and scan the system and see what causes that now guys, and see if we can fix that now. So what I'll do, I'll turn the engine off and we'll go ahead and grab the scanner quick. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead, okay, open that cover. Under that cover is where the OBD connector is. That's where you connect your scanner. On other Ford vehicles, okay, it may be somewhere under the dash, so really need to find it. When you open it, you have a connector kind of like that, okay, and plug your scanner in. What we'll do next guys, okay, I'm going to get inside and we're going to turn the ignition switch on. Okay, ignition switch is on. After that, okay, we're going to connect the scanner and let's see what we have now. Okay, OBD scanner. Okay, this is one very inexpensive scanner that supports live data, and I'll definitely recommend it. You can find the link guys listed in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience guys. Okay, it says codes found, one code. Click next. Okay, now it will give you guys two different computers here. Usually our codes are stored under the second one, yours may be the first one, so double check both of them. You may have some extra codes in the other module as well. We'll click read codes, and it's important to check stored and okay, pending codes as well. Under stored codes guys, we have code P0001, fuel volume regulator control, circuit open, and the other one is okay, under pending, just 1 out of 1. That's the only code guys. So fuel volume regulator guys, okay, this is the sensor that detects how much fuel is going through the fuel line, and especially if you guys have a direct fuel injection engine, this is super important guys, a sensor. Otherwise guys, your car will not function good, just the same way ours is now. So looking at this Ford Focus now guys, okay, this is the one with the direct fuel injection. If you don't have direct fuel injection, we'll explain as well. This is the high pressure pump. You have two pumps guys, one in the fuel tank that sends fuel to that pump, and this pump is driven by the camshaft, okay, and it pumps enormous amount of pressure through the fuel rail and directly sprays in the cylinders. It's kind of like the diesel engine guys. The newer gasoline engines, they kind of like function a little bit like the diesel engines. They have that common rail and they pump quite a bit of pressure through the injectors guys, directly inside the cylinder. Now this guy's sensor on the pump usually will be the one that will cause that problem. Okay, and always connect your connection, make sure it's not loose, because if the cable fall off, you get the same code. Now if that doesn't fix the problem guys, most of the times you just have to replace the whole pump assembly. Why? Because guys, due to the fact that this sensor on most cars cannot be replaced if it's integrated in the high pressure fuel pump. Sometimes that sensor will be on the fuel line, okay, on the fuel line somewhere, and it will be super easy to replace, but in our case it's not guys, it's integrated in the fuel pump. So we'll go ahead and replace our fuel pump. That's a problem with ours, and we'll see if that takes care of the problem. If you need to buy any parts or tools guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, so please guys, check it out. So we have a new pump installed. I'll go inside now. Okay, we'll go ahead, start the car and see how it runs now. So let's see now, without even resetting the code. Car started easy, guys. Okay, super easy. Let me rev it up. It revs up with no problem. So I'll go ahead, turn the ignition on now, and let's reset the engine light. How we do that, we go back and we click erase codes here. Erase done. Now let me turn the car off, restart it, and check it out, guys. Engine light is not on anymore. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.